Hey guys, RoyalFlush here. I just want to show you guys one of my favorite overnight oats recipes. It's really more like 30-minute oats. It doesn't take that long, but as long as you got some time to stick in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, maybe even to an hour, depending on what you're doing for exercise, it can be done within the same day or same part of your routine. So, before you start exercising, go ahead and get it all together. So I'll start with this. Let's go ahead and explain the ingredients. I use about 4 or 5 sandwich cookies. Here we got some Biscoff sandwich cookies in my portable BlendJet 2. What else we got? I use 1/3 cup. This is a 1/3 measuring cup here. 1 scoop of this. This is Coach's Oats. It's like an oatmeal that you can just kind of make on its own, but when you add it with other stuff, you'll see what happens. So 1/3 cup of that. Two 1/3 cups of this. So is that kind of 2/3? Yeah. 2/3 cup of this. So 2 scoops of your favorite cereal. In this case, I'm using some Honey Nut Cheerios. Okay. So I'm gonna blend this all together. Want to make sure everything gets all granulated and fine. So start with the dry ingredients. I'm gonna add the oatmeal and the cereal. Just like this. Oh my. Okay. So there you go. So on the next blend, I'm going to add in some almond milk and protein powder. So I'll add 1 scoop of this. And however many cups of almond milk that allows it to blend, so you don't really have to measure it, just add it in. Okay, so I added the almond milk and the protein powder in here. I'm gonna blend this all up. We're gonna pour it, after I blend it, I'm gonna pour it into here, and I'm gonna do another blend of just banana and almond milk. So let me get on this one. Sometimes you really gotta shake it free. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it into here. Alright, next I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to the already liquefied goods here. So use a chopstick to stir it all up and get the seeds to get to the form they need to be. And next I'm also gonna blend a banana with some almond milk. I'll add some almond milk and banana in this thing. Alright, got almond milk and banana here. I'm about to blend this. Alright, pour it in here with the chia seeds and the other half of the dry goods, formerly dry goods with almond milk. Alright, and then you stir this up, put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and take it out and then see what it's look like after it's ready to eat. And after about 30 minutes to an hour of exercise and this thing being in the refrigerator, this thing's ready to go. Let's just give it a nice stir. But yeah, it's right in here. You probably can't see it, but yeah, the cereal, the oatmeal, the banana, and even the chia seeds all give it a nice thickness, along with the full flavor of the protein drink with the almond milk. So you can scoop it if you want nice consistency here. You can see it, right? It looks kind of like a batter, but it's all together. It's all really good. Yeah. What I like about it is that it combines my protein servings with some, some grains, some fibers, a banana, and then all together it all tastes good. So it's really worth having a blender for and spending a few minutes just to put it all together, because once it's ready to eat and your body needs some nutrients, it's good to go. That's it for me now. I'll catch you guys around, and I'll catch you guys in the next stream, okay?